1998, number 90. So if the base B of a triangle, so I need to draw a triangle. Let's try this, draw a triangle. Try that again. Okay, so we know the triangle has a base of B. And what's happening to B? B is increasing at the rate of 3. So B is changing. So the change in B as time changes is 3. And since it's increasing, it's going to be positive 3. Well, the height. Okay, so the height is going to be here. That should have produced a line. Okay, that's the height. The height is decreasing at the rate of 3. So the change in the height as time changes is decreasing, so it's going to be negative 3. So they want to know something about the area of the triangle. So they want dA dt. Okay, so we have a formula for area. Area is 1/2 base times height. And we want to change that into rates, so we need to take derivatives with respect to time. But again, area is a function of time. The base changes as time changes, and the height. So those three you have to treat as functions, not variables. So the left side is pretty easy. The derivative of A, dA dt. 1/2 is a constant. I'll leave it in front, and we need the derivative of BH. But this is a product. You're multiplying two things. So you leave the first alone, and the derivative of H is dH dt. Then you take the derivative first, which will be dB dt, and you leave the second alone. So we get this. Well, we know dH dt, that's negative 3. And we know dB dt, that's 3. So let me factor out the 3 in front. I'm going to be left with minus B plus H. Okay, so what's going on here? So we have dA dt, and they want to know what's happening to A. So we remember if the derivative of A is positive, A is increasing. If the derivative is negative, then A is decreasing. So when is this positive? When is this negative? Because if B is bigger than H, we have more negatives, dA dt will be decreasing, right? And if H is bigger than B, we have more positive than negative, so it's going to be positive. A is going to be increasing. So we can eliminate the first two because it's dependent upon B and H. We can eliminate that also. So what are they saying? If B is smaller than H, well, if this is smaller and that's bigger, this is going to come out positive, making A increasing. So that's not true. So what about if H is smaller than B? That's smaller than that. If B is bigger, this is more negative. So the derivative will be negative, making A decreasing. So the answer is going to be D.